Hello, amazing people. So this is Arboretum. I'm just going to have a sit on this bench. Yeah, it's a social place. So if you're in Kenya and you like somewhere to chill, Arboretum is the best place to come. You only need some few coins, pay at the entrance, then come chill the whole day here. So you can see the social groups here, social games going on. There's a team. Actually, there are very many teams here and very many activities, and in the morning they do like other sports activities. So yeah, it's a very cool place to come chill and just watch people if you're just like a quiet person. So yeah, I'm here. I just came here and it's cool actually. It's super clean, I can say. I don't know if they clean it every single day. Yeah, and they have the bins. We came here in the morning around 11. So yeah, here with a very large team. I was invited, so they're having fun. And all I'm doing here is just like, I feel bored actually, but it's calming. When I feel like I'm super bored, I just think of the fresh air that I'm breathing. Then I'm like, wow, I'm in Nairobi, but I'm not in Nairobi because I'm getting fresh air, baby. So it's so cool here. I'm just loving it. I hope. Okay, if you've never come to Arboretum, please come. Kindly come. Visit the place. It's super cool. I can tell you, like, it has look at this tree trunk. It's amazing. I don't know, but it's super cool. Just imagine if you're an artist, then you draw this tree trunk. Just look at that view. Like, it's super amazing. So yeah, I'm here and the day is going on okay, but yeah, actually, yeah, I met one of my, can I call it, best friends. Yeah, he was my best friend. He's doing okay. I'm happy. I just got to talk to him, then I was like, yeah, at least my friend is okay. I felt good. And if you happen to be watching, friends, sorry I had to mention you, but you're good. I'm happy you're good. Yeah. And yeah, I've met like amazing souls here. You know what they told me? Something super cool. That we need to be social, to be more social, get people into our circles. Because we're social beings, you know? And I can't replace a friend. That's one thing I'm sure of, and you are also sure of. But one thing we can say is that as much as we can't replace a friend, we need more friends, because what I get from the other friend is different from what I get from the other one. So please, friend, doesn't mean that if I'm getting more friends that you're left out or he or she is better than you. No, you are equally the same. The difference is that you guys have different roles in my life and I have different roles in your lives. So please, let's just embrace the fact that we need more friends, more people, and we need to socialize more. Actually, today I've kind of felt a bit low. I'm sorry. I'm still on my blue hair. I don't know if I'm gonna show you on my face, but if I don't, just remember the blue hair that I had. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, here I am. It's amazing out here actually. Just loving it. A super body in the house. I don't know why I just find this tree so fascinating. Look at that tree. Just imagine this tree. If I was an artist, super cool artist, I'll just draw that tree. It looks really cool. Look at that structure. Super, super cool. So yeah, super cool. Actually, fresher. I wanna get an ice cream though. There's an ice cream guy there. I don't know if you can see him. Right there, right there. Yeah, there's a guy with the ice cream box down there. So yeah. Let's go in here. So guys, this I told you, Nairobi Arboretum. This is my face, my blue hair still on. So I wore this blue leather jacket to blend out with it. So that's the view. I just love it. Actually super amazing. Yeah, so I'm here. I'm chilling. Yeah. So that's what's up, guys. Have fun. I think I'm gonna take you for a tour of a bit of Arboretum things here. It's more of just benches, trees, activities, yeah. So you're gonna see some. Okay, let's go. So if you're looking at this end, we have about 5 or 7 social groups at this point. I don't know if you can see them. So yeah, some are prayers, some are like youths, some are adults, prayer sessions or Bible study sessions. Yeah. So yeah, you can see from this other side there are activities also going on. Look at this. I don't know if we should go for a walk. Look at that. Sorry, it's kind of light. It's blocking the view. Oof. Guys, this is super amazing. I don't know why I love this part. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, the cool part of this is like it's super quiet. Nobody's coming to this end. I don't know why the structure of the trees is super fascinating here. Look at this. Yeah, it kind of is sharing a story. Half is kind of dead. Okay, look at these two. Just want you to look at that tree. Okay, I don't know. It's kind of super cool actually. Yeah. Oh, I'm seeing something there. So let's go see it. Look at that tree. Woof. Man, the trees look super amazing. I just love them. I was just saying something here that I want to show you. I don't know why that mean. After there, we're going back. Yeah. Going a bit first. This tree is also fancy, just like its structure. I don't know why tree fascinates me, but yeah, because some names on it. Himarize something. Can you see that? Yeah, that one. It's for this tree. This is what brought me here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these. Look at these guys. Look at these. Can't you see the beauty? Oh man, look at these. Albizia, Gumera, Konzuli, Loom, Korwe, Kike, Forest Edge, Riverline, Riverina. Okay, this is way too much for me. Guys, you can read that, but it's super cool. It's a good tree. Look at that. Super amazing. So yeah, look at that one. Guys, this is super cool. Look at that. I just love this area. Super calming. Can hear people talking, doing that thing. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't want to go past this, but look at this tree. Look at that one. Sorry, I'm showing people's houses. Tree, look at that. Oh, yeah, that tree is super fancy.